Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. This is Honda Civic and problem, you can see here, check charging system and traction and power steering light on, check charging system. Today I will show you why this warning light came and what is the problem in this car. This is Honda Civic, you can see here. Okay, so first of all you have to diagnose in your diagnosis tool. See in engine 4 fault. Now we will show you. This car have a problem PGM AG communication error, battery sensor communication error. This is 4 fault here, all fault from battery communication error. So where is this battery communication or battery sensor? I will show you now. Here you can see this is battery sensor. If the sensor damage, same problem like this, battery no communication, and that's why warning light came, check charging system, called alternator working properly. So this battery sensor damage. Okay, now I check alternator working or not. See here, when I start car, alternator working properly, 13.84 volt. See, that means alternator is good. Problem is for battery sensor. So if your car have same warning light, you have to replace this battery sensor. Okay, thank you.